G-Dragon featuring Anderson .Paak. This is the only feature in the album. We're going to be checking out the album after this as well. Too bad. Now, this seems more upbeat. This is more hype. The last one was more about like his feelings. It's drama. It's like to explain what he went through and just a little insight inside of his life kind of thing. This one, this looks like a fun time. So without further ado, let me see. Is there any captions? No. But without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Hey, Paak.
Check it out, or you do. What it do? Tick it tock and I move. Booty knocks you do.
Hey. Hey. Bro, his outfits.
Baby girl, too bad for me. There you go. Took that ass on me.
Ooh.
All I want is in arms reach. Break me off passionately.
Hey.
Too bad for me.
Hey.
There you go. Took that ass on me.
Too bad?
Is in arms reach. Break me off.
It's at arm's reach. That's what you're saying?
Passionately.
This is produced by Pharrell? For real? For real? I'm about to check that out. Ooh. Damn, you got the girls all over you, GD. Oh, it's like a texting. He's like texting different girls. So. Oh, Bodily. Is that Bodily? Could be mistaken. Hey. Too bad. Hey. Ooh. Karina. Oh, shit. I heard Karina's in here. Ooh. Hey. Oh, with the whole like everywhere they step, it lights up. It kind of reminds me of Michael Jackson a bit. Hey. It could be like a little tribute to MJ. I mean, it has to be. The socks, the pants. Ooh. Hey. The bubble pink jacket. Anderson .Paak on the drums. Hey. Passionately. Hey. Too badass for me. Hey. That hair's crazy. Hey. Wait, it's crazy. First of all, this collab did not predict it, but I wanted it. Karina and G-Dragon, come on. Ooh. Wait, that kid was like dressed up like young GD too. Ooh. Okay, vocals Anderson .Paak. Hey. This is more of a vibe. It's like a party vibe. This is a lot quicker than the other one. It's so. Okay, that was cool. It gives house party vibes. Yes, exactly. It's definitely a vibe. It's nothing too overwhelming, even though a lot is happening in here. Are these all his clothes or what? What are these chicks? Okay, it's analyzation. That's why he the dragon. He breathing fire all the time. Wait, hold up. Let me check if there's like actual like. Is there lyrics in here too? Okay, so it's not translated. Oh, they're mostly all in English. You do something to me, the chills running through me. I feel something pull me. I'm still running till I reach. You doing something to me, the chills running through me. I feel something pull me. I'm still running till I reach. Okay. Wait. Bodily, my God. I know. Karina, GD, Paak, Bodily, my God, for real. I'm gonna like redo that. I don't think there's any English translations yet up. Okay, all good. It'll probably be up later, not gonna lie.
Check it out or you do. What it do? Tick it tock and I move. Booty now you do.
Yeah.
Beach ass.
That da. It's the little cadences and ad-libs that G-Dragon just brings.
Beautiful.
It's a 1-2 step kind of song for real.
Damn, is that good?
Damn, is that good?
Too bad for me. There you go. Took that ass on me.
Ooh, is that McDonald's hat?
In arms reach. Break me off passionately.
Bro, that Versace robe and everything, my God.
Baby girl, too bad for me. There you go. Took that ass on me.
Too badass for me.
Is in arms reach.
So he literally does say that in the lyrics. Baby girl, too bad for me. There you go. Toot that ass for me. Literally, toot that ass for me. But it's like toot that exclamation point ass for me. All I want is arms reach. All I want is an arms reach. Break me off so passionately. Baby girl, too bad for me. Okay. That's fire.
Break me off passionately. Genga, minga, hodinga, got it. Full of tingenga, you got me. MBTI got sexy type honest.
Have you actually? Someone said GD's voice sounds kind of different on this song. Bro, GD's talking voice is so deep. Have y'all heard his interviews? Oh my God, sometimes it's like, and it's usually like that sometimes. The Wu-Tang jacket too, yeah.
Baby girl, too bad for me. There you go.
Bodily. Shout out to all the dancers though.
Too
bad for me.
There you go. Took that ass on me. All I want
Ooh.
is an arms reach.
Hey.
You do say
Karina's in the building, bro. And that's my bias for Esma too. That's what's up.
I'm still running.
Hey, with a body roll.
I feel something. I'm still running. Till I reach. Do something to me. Right now. Do something to me.
Right now.
Do something
Definitely MJ.
to me. Too hot to touch, show me. Do something to me.
There is some Pharrell. He said, wait, so this is like a JT reference, not MJ, right? Well, the he part had to be an MJ reference too, as well. But I do hear JT as well.
Do something to me. Right now. Do something to me. Come do something to me. Too hot to touch, show me.
That doom.
Do something to me. Do something to me. Do something to me.
Oh, look at GD actually drumming too.
Baby girl, too bad for me. There you go. Took that ass on me. All I want.
Pharrell made this song for MJ but gave to JT, so he had the ad-libs. What? I'm pretty sure that's Muzan. Stop it.
Is in arms reach. Break me off passionately.
I like the pink outfit though. The pink outfit. Oh, okay, GD.
Took that ass on me. All I want is in arms reach. Break me off passionately. You do
Wait, the Karina like getting dragged back with the invisible rope.
passionately. You do say the chills running. I feel say. I'm still running.
Yeah.
You do say
Hey.
the chills running.
Let's go.
I feel say.
Hey.
Till I reach.
Let's go. Woo. Ooh, the vocals.
Still running. Till I reach. You do say.
Oh, I might have to blast this in the car. Not the little. It's such a vibe. It's such a party song too. G-Dragon, Paak. Whew. G-Dragon. I got. You know what? I'm just gonna end it on this. G-Dragon's a bag, bitch. That's all.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.